What's going on, guys? Today's the day. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get part 2 of the mini BMX weed eater powered bike. We're gonna get that plate mounted up where it's really touching that tire, so it has a lot of contact on the tire where it's gonna move me or somebody. And you know, if it doesn't move me, maybe I'll give it away.
Diamond plate? Oh my gosh, I don't want to spend that much money. That might be the only way to go. I'm gonna send it, I think. That's insane. Measure once, cut twice. That way I don't have to spend $57 again. It's alright, we're gonna make a cool video. Let's get going.
Alright, well, I just spent $60 on a sheet of metal. This little mini BMX weed eater powered bike has now in total costed me probably way more than it should. And that kid said, you can make these for like 50 bucks. Alright guys, just made it to the shop. We're gonna get right into this. We're not gonna waste any time, so let's go. Let's get this bike finished. Let's get this bike rolling and see if we can get it to drive down the gravel road. If not, I don't know what else to do. Maybe throw it in the dumpster, but that'd be kind of a cool video anyway. So let's get started, and I'm gonna start a little time lapse right now, I guess. Alright guys, I completed the bike, and exactly what I didn't want to happen happened. So basically, I can't ride it. There's no way. I just weigh too much. Maybe if I lost a few pounds, it's still gonna struggle. I don't know if I could get a bigger weed eater, or I don't know, because the way that the socket is sitting on the tire is snug and close to the tire as I could possibly get it. So I really don't know what to do. I think that this is kind of a lost cause. I never really even thought about being too heavy to ride it. That little weed eater just doesn't have enough juice to push me, which makes sense. I mean, I'm not tiny, but I'm not big. So the kid I got the idea from was extremely small, it looked like. So maybe I should give this to one of my neighbors. I know that a couple of my neighbors are little kids, and they would probably get a lot of enjoyment out of this. Obviously, I'd ask their parents if I could give it to them, but I could see them having a lot of fun with it, so maybe that's what I'm going to do. I don't really want to give it away because it's kind of a shit show, to be quite honest with you. So I really don't know what to do. I know that this video is kind of a big flop, and I wish I could ride it, but I can't. I don't even know what to, like, I wish there was something cool I could do with it, but if I can't ride it, I can't really do anything cool. So, video is an absolute flop, and I really wasn't expecting it to actually not work. I really thought that if I got that piece of metal that it was going to work, but apparently that's not the case whatsoever. So, we're going to chalk this one up as a big fat L. So if you guys are watching this, I'm sorry, but one, I'm too big. Two, throttle cable's a mess. I might be able to get a throttle cable on it, I don't know, and maybe get it somewhat functional, but I don't know how that kid made it look so easy. But he also weighs probably half as much as I do. So with that being said, congratulations to that guy. I mean, it's cool. I wish I could get it to work, but it's just not going to work for me. So we're going to cut our losses and pick ourselves up and hope for a better video next time. I'm sorry. I really am. I'm sorry this video sucks, and I'm sorry that I couldn't get it going, but oh well, it is what it is. We're going to move on. We're going to try to find a different project that's just as fun and would work. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll come back after seeing this horrible video and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and maybe we'll get a project that I can actually get to work. Or not. Maybe it's just Big's flop channel. Anyway, see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Bye.
Shorts out chain when the money came. Money bang him, get money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I'll be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bourbon scene. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a paradigm. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm dead, huh? Love when it's gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sleep.